Which historical event significantly diminished the powers of the British monarchy? The Glorious Revolution, the French Revolution, the English Civil War, the Magna Carta. The Glorious Revolution. The Glorious Revolution of 1688 resulted in the deposition of James II and the establishment of William and Mary as joint monarchs. Crucially, it affirmed the supremacy of Parliament over the monarchy, enshrining principles like the Bill of Rights that limited the monarch's power and established parliamentary control over finances and lawmaking. This marked a major shift toward a constitutional monarchy. The French Revolution, while impactful on European history, primarily concerned France. It led to the overthrow of the French monarchy and did not directly impact the powers of the British monarchy. The English Civil War, 1664 to 1651, did lead to the temporary abolition of the monarchy and execution of Charles I. However, the monarchy was later restored, and while it had a lasting impact, the Glorious Revolution more definitively solidified the limits on royal power. The Magna Carta, 1215, was a significant step in limiting the king's power but occurred hundreds of years before the others. Its primary impact was on establishing the principle of rule of law and individual rights, but it didn't shift power toward a parliament with a clear framework as much as the other answers.